So this is Stanislav. Today we are going to one of the famous place of Republic of Bashkortostan, which is called Aigir. It's located near with the river Inzer and in the mountains of South Ural. So it will be cool. This is the backs of our team, which is going to visit Aigir. So we just only arrived here. This is placed near the railway station, which is called Inzer, and is our part to go into Aigir. So we are now in a train from Inzer to Aigir. It will be another point of our trip for this weekend, and today we will reach one of the top mountains near the railway station, Aigir. We continue traveling during the railways and going to the mountain, to the beginning where we can start our trip. So it's very beautiful here. We reach one side where the railway connects and going near with the Inzer river. So it's a nice view from here on the mountains and the river. And in the May season it's a lot of water here, so we can see a very nice picture. So in our group, just going forward and continuing forward, going forward. So it's very nice here, very nice. And just making some more. So we reach the place from what we will start our climbing and going up to the top of mountains. From here just see just one of the peaks of the mountain, and it's our group. We're going here by the railways. Probably there is some road, but because of weather it's not useful for the walking. It's much more better going like this. It's very nice here. And the mountain behind me is called Small Yamantau. Yamantau is very famous because there is a military base over there in the game Call of Duty. Yeah, it's going like this. It's very dangerous because there is a rain, but there is no train. There is a train, but it's only one way to go here, like this. Yes. We're going upstairs. Oh shit. Oh, we're in the forest, in the way to the top. I look like this. I look like this. Yeah. So it's hard. Yeah, it's not so long trip, but it's short and very sharp upward road to the top of mountain. Yeah, but it's very important to go there because I want to show you the view from this point. It's very nice. This is other part of our trip. Yeah, we just very near with our destination. Yeah, we got the water here. It's like, yeah, nice view. Nice view. Very nice view. Very nice. So this is the final part of our trip. Because of not good weather we cannot see the almost nice view from here, but it's very good. Just we need to organize our camp. So we reached one place. It's like natural source of water near with the Aigir. It was very hard to find. It's very hard to recognize the water or the way to here, but it's real water, real source of water, natural. It's very cool. It's other guys. Yeah, just need to collect some water for our camp. So this is very nice place where we can find the natural source of water. Yeah, it's cool. Like listen to the sound. So we right now reached the top of the mountain, which is called Aigir, and in front of us there is another mountain which is called Small Yamantau, and you can see right now a little bit, yeah, it's closed a little bit, but you can see it's very nice. Это наш лагерь. It's our camp. We will go to another place where there is also very nice view. It's from here. It's very nice. Just go here. As you can see, there is any border here. Yeah. It's very nice, very beautiful. This place is called Aigir. Aigir, after a railway station Inzer. It's a very popular place. It's a very nice place. This is one place. It's one of the nicest places here. Very nice view from this point.
For 1 minute, no video, no photo, no talking, only see.
We're right now near the river Inzer in the mountains of Aigir, and behind me you can see the small mountain, small Yamantau, and mountains which is called Karatash. From Bashkirian language it's translated like Black Mountains. It's a very nice valley with a view of a river Inzer.
Today is very beautiful day of my life because it is mountains, Karatash, small Yamantau, and its place because its place is a very unavailable place for many people because way to here is very difficult.
It just add some short video in the deepest part of forest near the Aigir mountains and mountains of Karatash. It's very nice. It's very cloudy. There is some animals here and no people. It's like no civilization, but it's real nature of Russia and Republic of Bashkortostan. This is river Inzer in the Republic of Bashkortostan in the South Ural region. It's very famous river from doing some rafting, especially in the spring and the May season.
Расцветали яблони и груши, поплыли туманы над рекой. Выходила на берег Катюша, на высокий берег, на крутой. Выходила на берег Катюша, на высокий берег, на крутой. Выходила, песню заводила, про новости заварла, про того, которого любила, про того, чьи письма берегла, про того, которого любила, про того, чьи письма берегла. Пой ты песню, песенку девичью, и лети за ясным солнцем вслед. И бойцу на дальней погранице. Не могу опять высоко.